Fear. An often strong emotion caused by anticipation or awareness of danger. We have always been drawn to the idea of travel, of seeing the world through the lens of a camera, capturing moments most people will never witness. To be a storyteller is not an easy task. But there's something else, a fear that follows like a shadow, no matter where you go. There's the fear of what you might miss, the shot you might never get, the story that will slip away because you weren't fast enough, weren't ready enough. What if you fail to capture the essence of a place, the soul of a culture? And it's not just the shots. There's the fear of the places themselves. What if something goes wrong? What if I'm in the wrong place at the wrong time? There's a tension in every step, a constant battle between curiosity and caution, between wanting to explore and wanting to retreat. But here's the thing about fear, it's always there. The fear doesn't go away, not entirely, but it pushes you to take the shot, to step into the unknown, to keep going even when the world feels intimidating and unpredictable. Because in the end, it's the fear that makes the journey worth it. That makes each frame, each story, each moment captured, real. And with every story told, we realize travel isn't just about discovering the world. It's about discovering yourself. Because at the end of the day, it's not about conquering the fear. It's about letting it guide you.